Keeping your pool pristine can be a chore, but what if a robot could handle it for you? Today we are diving into the AIPER EcoSurfer S2, a solar-powered robotic pool skimmer designed to keep your pool surface spotless with minimal effort. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore the core performance and smart features that make the AIPER EcoSurfer. The 150-micron filtration system, combined with the debris guard anti-leak design, effectively captures all types of surface debris for a cleaner. The dual charging modes ensure continuous cleaning, providing 24/7 operation with solar power and up to 35 hours on battery. Dual sensors and smart algorithms provide precise obstacle avoidance and a unique edge cleaning mode, boosting efficiency and coverage. The smart app offers remote control, custom schedules, progress tracking, and instant alerts, greatly enhancing user convenience. Overall, this skimmer brings together reliable power, smart navigation, and effective filtration to deliver a strong. Next, let's look at the design, overall value, and what it means for owning. The retractable anti-stranding columns and obstruction alerts ensure uninterrupted operation, effectively preventing the robot from getting stuck. The integrated and adjustable chlorine dispenser holds standard 3-inch tablets, providing consistent water sanitization as it cleans. Low maintenance needs, combined with OTA upgrades and app alerts, significantly reduce common ownership hassles. At $349.99, its advanced solar charging, smart app control, and robust cleaning features offer good value for consistent convenience. This robot is designed for hassle-free ownership, blending smart features with practical design elements that contribute. The AIPER EcoSurfer S2 brings smart, solar-powered automation to pool surface cleaning, offering substantial convenience. Its combination of 24/7 operation, intelligent navigation, and app control makes it a compelling solution for reducing manual pool maintenance.